What up, people? We're embarking on a new challenge today. My boy Tokyo's over here, and he got himself this Honda bicycles. To put our welding skills to the test, we're gonna try and build a new exhaust. Because this thing is obviously super gay. And we have a bunch of...
And it's quiet.
We got a bunch of these. U-bends here, 1 7/8", and we're gonna see if we can make something. There must be a little bit of fuel in the line.
Yeah.
I was just gonna say there's no gas tank on this.
No.
So I guess first things first, we can get rid of this old exhaust on here. And that's the wrong size. Good start, Kyle. So this is the kind of guy Tokyo is. Underglow is being installed as well.
And it will pulse to the music.
Probably save some weight with this thing too.
Because I'm really concerned about saving weight, Kyle.
Hey. So we'll have to reuse this section right here where it necks out. And that's what will weld to our new sections.
Hercules!
Getting rid of this ugly bracket too.
That really cleans up that thing, right?
Hey.
Oh, that's neck down inside the pipe too.
Because this is where it...
Yeah.
Hey.
A little bit of cleaning and deburring and that shit fits perfectly.
Yeah. Get a flat here.
Flat like you're not your chest because you got pecs because you work out.
Fitment wise. Make sure we get as much airflow through there as possible. Get all the carbon out.
Because race bike?
Because race bike.
Because people like to know like what goes on inside of a fuckboy's head.
It looks like we can just go 90 straight off that. So we cut this at 90 perfectly in the center here. It looks like it might line up almost perfectly.
So what are you doing?
I'm just taking the clamp off and I'll just hold it.
Just gonna freestyle it?
Yeah.
This is the science.
Science. Maths.
Bill Nye though. Mm-hmm.
We just nail it almost?
I think so, Ricky.
Pretty
I
much.
think you literally just nailed that. Shout out to Andrew McDonald for the random bends of pipe.
Yeah.
Can't pick up the filler rod.
No. Come on, you. I mean, it doesn't match this line perfectly right
No,
here.
it's not going to.
But yeah.
So first tack up.
Hey.
Very nice.
Very nice. So here's the first weld. It's not the greatest, wasn't the best stuff to weld to. I'm really bad at getting a filler rod in there. But it's all welded up. I was also a little bit nervous because I didn't want to blow a hole in it, so I just went a little bit slow and didn't add a lot of filler rod.
The front pipe looks good.
Yeah, I think we got something going on here now. I don't like how it dips a little bit and then, because I had to cut in the radius of the turn, but can't win them all, I guess. It's actually not that bad if we had it all the way pushed in where we needed it. Good old eyeball test.
That's the grinder that came from my house.
Yeah.
Yay!
You helping?
I'm glad it's mounted on the bench like your vise.
Yeah, it's good for moving. This thing takes like forever to wind down too.
Okay, I'm sick of waiting. It takes so long. Still a cunt. Still a cunt. Look at me, I'm helping. Second best helper on the internet. Fuck Kent.
And tack weld this in place.
Ground clamp?
It's on the bench. We got that pretty good with no gaps in there. Well, there's a little bit of gaps, but that's gonna be easy to fill. So I'm gonna probably tack weld this up again, see if it moves, and if it doesn't move, we'll fully weld this one up.
Fully sick?
Fully sick. Just another couple tacks to make sure we didn't move it, because I only have one tack on it.
New and hotness?
What?
Old and janky.
Yeah.
You think I might cut it there and horn it down a little?
Yeah, we'll put a straight pipe right next to it. Chop it down. I use the Dremel. Yeah, it's pretty thick right now. Dremel's not plugged in though. You'll notice here, your thing is only like 1 inch big on the middle, so
We're necking out.
yeah, way out.
Which should make for more noisy voice.
More drony.
Look at that.
We're pretty close.
So because our town is so dirty, the idea is to be like a street sweeper exhaust, but at the end is going to have a turn up towards the rear. So this pipe is going to have a little turn towards the rear, but also to try and keep it from going straight at the ground. You want rod or no?
And where they're touching in the back right here, I might end up joining them in the backside.
Here's the OCD Kyle question. Do you want to weld a turn on at the bottom? Or do you want to cut this pipe and have both your welds at the same time and have them coming out? Or would you have the angle to do the bottom?
That's a good question.
That's OCD Kyle right there. I don't care either way.
Yeah, we're just gonna weld it down here.
Yep.
I'm not OCD, so
Me neither.
failed on your question there.
Not for that.
So this is the idea. It's 304 stainless stuff, so I've been using 308. Oh my god. That stuff's real good, that plastic. I've been using this 308 and then it's .025, which is like a third of what our material, or 2/3 of what our material thickness is, and that's what you're recommended to use with a TIG welder, and then roughly 1 amp per thou of material thickness. So it's 60 thou wall, and I'm using like 51 amps.
Worker Kyle. Yeah.
Oh
Good,
yeah. Ooh.
Every day we hustling for subscribers. Golden hand jobs, we call them.
Subscribers are golden hand jobs?
Subscribers get golden hand jobs.
Oh, I get it.
I tried to clean pipe once with chloroform. I ended up asleep. You're not a professional, Kyle, but fuck, do you ever play one on YouTube, bud?
Yeah, when the camera's not on, I don't do any of this. Just like, fuck it, it's welding.
Somebody just tagged me that they want a sticker made.
This is what?
Silly boys, trucks are for girls with kissy lips. Dan Glant tagged me.
God.
Dan, I don't think I'm gonna make a kissy lip truck today. Cause
paint too, I'm guessing.
no, we're fire engine red. We're doing hood rat shit with bike exhaust. So
Yes.
thanks for the tag though, for Tokyo's graphics and sexiness. Let's get welding.
I might want my welding gloves. That was hot.
I literally put them right beside you last time. But yes, you should. Otherwise, the alternating current of the TIG welder, although you won't feel it,
It's direct current
oh,
and stainless.
either way, any sort of current will eventually get into your hands and then your shit will go numb. I saw that on the internet.
It's like, yeah, I don't think I use enough filler metal on it.
This is all about learning.
Yeah, I'm probably not fast enough with the filler metals.
We'll do that. Next time we'll know.
Hey, it's starting to look bitchin'.
Looks wicked.
Well, we're gonna have to cut a big angle on this one.
Like so, because right now if we put it square, it's pointing,
Yeah, the wrong way.
so we gotta move it this way. And this has to go somewhere there-ish. So somewhere, we'll cut it long first.
When this is done, do I need to like hold up the exhaust pipe file and do like a sexy pose, and then you can use it as a clickbait thumbnail? See who gets more like likes and watches and subscribes? Me or Virginia?
You're gonna lose, I think.
I would 100% lose. I am not attractive.
I think you're gonna lose, bro.
Hey, here's the final one for this front one. Now we just have to clean it all off and make a cut. KFC, baby! Woo!
I don't know why you yelled KFC that time.
I don't either. I found that video again the other day.
Fucking KFC, man! KFC! See that right there? It's my shifting arm.
One last cut to horn that in.
Kind of aggressive.
That is aggressive.
Well, we are in a garage too.
So I'll explain to the YouTubes what you're doing, Kyle.
I'm gonna try and weld both pieces together in the middle here. Hopefully. If I'm successful. Because it's steel, if you dab it with the steel filler rod, it actually makes a big bulb on the end of it, and then you don't have a concentrated point for the arc anymore. It doesn't weld very good at all. Trying to get this. I'm gonna lean it on something over here. I'm gonna finish that one off with the grinder.
stand by the bike and hold it over your head like the lion from Lion King. There's your thumbnail.
I can stand here. Hey!
So, it's on, bolted.
Nailed it!
It's 2 little turn cuts to keep from blowing dust on my face.
Here, just sit on it and I'll
Back
video.
together.
There you go, look at that. It's like, it's pretty stealthy too. It's gonna be loud as shit. It does look pretty badass though. I'm stoked. So that's it for our little exhaust build here. Tokyo's gonna bring the bike to his house. The only thing that's keeping it from running right now is he's waiting on a throttle cable. He had one sent, but it was the wrong one with the wrong fitting, so he has to get another one sent. After that, we'll probably get some rolling clips and stuff after that, but I mean, that's not bad for our first little project with some random material that we had sitting around. It could be a little bit better. I scratched it up a little bit. Some of the welds are undercut a little bit, but it's all in the learning process. So if I have any advice for anybody, it's just gonna be to pick up something and just do it. I learn best by failing at things and then watching videos and seeing what I did wrong. And that's kind of how I attack TIG welding. Yeah, just pick up a new skill. Why not? Why are you watching me make this video right now when you could be learning a new skill? So do it, pussy. Peace easy and get to FV.